Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you more about OSPF. In my previous video, part 1, I taught you how to configure designated router or DR. Here you're going to learn more about OSPF commands and specification. In this packet tracer there are three areas. We have area 0, area 1, which is shown with blue color, area 2 with pink color. There are three routers in area 0, and area 0 is connected to area 1 through a router which is called ASBR. For communicating between one area to another area, we need agent or area border router, which is called ASBR. So this ASBR router here is for communicating between area 0 and area 1, or this ASBR here is for communicating between area 0 and area 2. In area 1, the last router in that area is called ASBR. This router is called ASBR. ASBR, or Autonomous System Boundary Router, is the endpoint router of the topology. It is for connecting one autonomous system to another autonomous system. Okay, now I'm going to configure OSPF in area 0. I have already configured the interfaces and two routers in area 0. So I'm going to configure the third router here in this area. Enable conft router OSPF 400 network. Directly connected networks to this router are network 192.168.20.0, CIDR 28, which is wildcard mask is 0.0.0.15, area 0. Network 192.168.40.0, CIDR 30, which is 0.0.0.3, area 0. Now let's configure ASBR. Enable conft router OSPF network 192.168.40.0 0.0.0.3 area 0. And other one is network 192.168.60.0 0.0.0.3 area 2, because this other connection is in area 2, so here we have to write area 2. This connection 40.0 is in area 0, so we have to write area 0 over there. And now let's configure the router, this router in area 2. Enable conft router OSPF 600 network. If you pay attention, for each area that I'm configuring for, I'm using different process ID because they are in different areas, so I have to use different process ID. So this router is connected to network 192.168.60.0 on one way, 0003 area 2, and network 192.168.80.0.0003 area 2 on another way. And as you can see, already the adjacency is working and the OSPF protocol is active. Okay, now let's check the routing table and the routers. Let me check this router here. Enable, exit, show IP route. We will see that this router is receiving data from directly connected networks and also through OSPF. O stands for OSPF, and OIA. IA, as it is mentioned here, is OSPF inter areas. It means outside this area, so it's receiving information and routes from outside the area 1. If we do show IP OSPF, you can see that it is mentioned here on the 4th line that it is an area border router. And if we do show IP OSPF database, you can see that this router is connected to 2 areas, area 0 and area 1. That is why it is an ABR. Okay, as you can see, I have connected another router here to this router inside our autonomous system. And I have also deconfigured the interface, and I have configured RIP on this router outside our autonomous system. In order for this autonomous system, routers in this autonomous system, to receive the routes from outside the autonomous system, we should do the following configuration on this router. Enable conft router RIP network 10.10.10.0 version 2 no auto summary, exit. And in order for this router to distribute the routes it's receiving from outside the autonomous system to rest of the routers inside the AS, we should do the following configuration. Router OSPF 300. 300 is the process ID of area 1 that I have already configured it. Redistribute RIP subnets. Now all our routes will be distributed inside the autonomous system. Do show IP OSPF okay, as you can see here on this line, it is an autonomous system boundary router. This is how we configure autonomous system boundary router. And if we check this router, enable show IP route, you can see that it is receiving data through OSPF E2 10.10.10.0. E2 is default route learn via redistribution. It means it's receiving data from outside the autonomous system. All right, thank you so much.